Hello students, this is the sixth video of environmental issue and topic of today is greenhouse effect and global warming. So let's start. So what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is a natural phenomena that is responsible for heating the earth's surface. So greenhouse effect is the natural phenomena that is responsible for heating the earth's surface. So now let us look at the mechanism of greenhouse effect. Now imagine this is sun. Now sun radiation are reaching the earth's surface. Now when the sun radiation reaches the earth's surface, some of it is reflected back into the space. So in number one step, solar energy reaches the earth's surface and some of this is reflected back into the space, as you can see here. Now rest of this solar energy is used to heat up the earth's surface. So in step 2, rest of the solar energy is absorbed by land which heats up the earth. So solar energy reaches the earth, some of it is reflected back and some of it is used to heat up the earth's surface. Now this heat will radiate up toward the space. So it will radiate up toward the space. Now some of this heat would be trapped up by the greenhouse gas cover which is present in the atmosphere. So some of this heat is trapped up by the greenhouse gases to keep the earth warm. So this greenhouse gases, it will do, it will trap some of this heat which is radiated toward the space back on the earth's surface. This is called greenhouse effect. So some of the heat would be trapped up by the greenhouse gas cover, which is shown here in purple, greenhouse gas cover, to keep the earth warm, which is called greenhouse. Now due to human activities, due to burning of fossil fuels, the greenhouse gas cover is increasing. As you can see, I have made a double layer of greenhouse effect. So human activities such as burning of fossil fuels are leading to increase in amount of greenhouse gases. So if the gases will increase, what will happen? This will trap extra heat. So here also greenhouse was trapping heat, but now due to double layer added because of increase in fossil fuel burning, because of increase in cutting down deforestation, so greenhouse gases are increasing. Now what will happen? They will trap extra heat. So when they trap extra heat, this will lead to more increase in the temperature of the earth. So this trapping of extra heat cause the earth temperature to rise more than desirable. That is called as global warming. This trapping of extra heat cause the earth temperature to rise more than normal, which is called global warming. So I hope you would have understood the phenomena of greenhouse effect. Now let us look at the gases which trap this solar energy. So these gases are called greenhouse gases. So major greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide, which contributes 60% to the greenhouse effect. Methane, next gas is methane, which contribute to 20% of the greenhouse effect. Third gas is CFCs, means chlorofluorocarbons, which contribute 14% to the greenhouse effect. And the fourth gas is N2O, which contributes 6% to the greenhouse effect. So you should remember the four type of greenhouse gases, that is carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs and N2O. So now let us look at what is global warming and its effect. I already told you increase in level of greenhouse gases has led to considerable heating of the earth's surface, which is called global warming. As we have previously discussed, if there would be increase in the level of greenhouse gases, there would be more trapping of the solar energy. So it will lead to more heating of the earth's surface beyond the normal limit, which is called as global warming. Now let us look at the causes of global warming. So deforestation would be the one cause of global warming, because if trees are cut down at a rapid rate, carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere would increase, which is a greenhouse gas. Second, burning of fossil fuels, because it also introduces carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And thirdly, increased amount of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, etc. So if the greenhouse gases would increase, there would be more trapping of solar energy, and which will lead to global warming. So what would be the effect of global warming? So global warming, because in global warming the average temperature of the earth rises beyond a certain limit. So what will happen? Because of rise in temperature, there would be melting of polar ice caps on the mountain tops. So on the mountains, the polar ice caps would melt. This would lead to rise in sea level and submerging of many coastal areas. So what will happen? There will be melting of polar ice caps, which will lead to rise in sea level and submerging of many coastal areas. This is called El Nino effect. El Nino effect. So if you have gained something from this video, please like this video and subscribe now to my channel Ramji Chopra.